up on my brain, crypto, oh you're saying. Talk out with the cool, man, I swear to the lane. Eyes on my neck, that shine like a chain. If you don't talk money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, just body stocks. Nas with 100, but I never gas. I went out the hood.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at, as usual, my NAS100 trades today. You can see most of them were buy side. When I switched to the sell side, kind of got a good entry, but then I got wicked out. And it's funny enough, I got wicked out into a zone where I would have been looking to take an entry if I had the right directional bias. If I was looking for sell side trades, this would have been where I should be looking for entries. So it's funny, the strategy worked, but just me not waiting for the right setup. And I also had a bullish bias, so I was expecting a rejection here, but then it actually came, took the liquidity. You can actually see it in the day. It's kind of more obvious. You can see what it did during the day. So it actually came right back up and just tapped the zone. And then after that, it started to really push down. But this was when it kind of cleared out the previous high. You could actually, because basically with the strategy, it's saying that, all right, if it's going down, this is the high of the day. And you should look for basically an entry above that level to continue to the downside, or at that level, but it just wouldn't be the most ideal entry. So you can see it basically came up and almost tapped the level, but it tapped me out there on these two trades, and then it kind of came down a bit more. So it came down about $100. You could have made 100 or more depending on what you're risking, but I'm risking like $20 per trade. So let's put it back to the daily, and then let's just see let's just look at the candles now. So on the daily, I entered, first trade was to the buy side, and that was at, let's see, the 13-hour candle. So that would have been 13 hours after market open, which would have been 7 a.m. So it would have been part of this candle. So at 7 a.m. I entered at 1558.72. So that's when I entered, and then I got stopped out. Same candle. Let's remove this here. So I had a buy side trade and I got stopped out there, 15,042. The next one now, same candle, because we're looking at now an 8 o'clock trade. Entered here to the buy side again. So you can see I'm buy side bias, just coming into the day, expecting a move higher, and even thinking about Tesla earnings just having some effect on the market. But wow, like the market really is not rewarding Tesla, and Tesla isn't saying much that the market likes either. So this is where I got stopped out for 24.75. The first one was a loss of 16.72. Later down, so this is 3 hours, so this is 11, so this would be on the next candle, this 10 o'clock candle. So this is when I entered the buy side trade, and then I entered the sell side trades, and then this is where the market kind of wicked up. That would have been the perfect entry for the day, and I was in that candle, but just not having enough width, or even just looking at how the candle was trading to get the right entry, because you'd have seen a huge bullish move, and then you could have actually said that was overbought and just sell it from there. So the first one I entered at 15,096. So you see, closer to the top, I'm hitting the buy side trades closer to the top. So I actually, look at this. If I had went to the sell side with a $20 risk, I would have had this trade, but I entered to the buy side. So it was the right entry, but just the wrong direction. So on this trade, I lost 26.81 because I had the stop loss there at 15.070. And then the next one I entered to the sell side because I kind of felt like it was selling at this point. So at 15.030, I entered to the sell side, and this one was actually a loss of 36.03 because the market kind of pushed up. So that huge wick up, and I like had a strong feeling that the market was gonna continue selling, but that wick up just cleared me out at 15.066. So I lost 36.03 on that trade. The next one, I think I entered relatively close, but it's just a different price point at 15.015.77. And then I got stopped out here at 15.053.88. So both of these sell side trades, looking to have my zone hold up and not just get broken through like that, right? The next ones I entered buy side trades to try and catch a reversal. So we're looking at 21 hours after market open. So that would have been 12, which is up to 6, plus 4 gets it to 16, and then plus 4 gets you to 2, and then plus 1. So this around 3 p.m. I'm entering for more or a push to the upside. So around 3, is this 351? This doesn't look accurate. I don't recall entering trades that late, but this is what it's looking like. But 14